I'm sorry, guys. I think I'm in mute. I'm really sorry. Now you can able to hear me, right? Can you please confirm everyone whether you guys are able to hear me or not? Perfect, perfect. Sorry for the inconvenience. I'm on mute actually. Sorry for this inconvenience. Okay, okay. So what I was requesting everyone, I'm requesting everyone to fill this form. That form link also I shared it over here. Anybody joined little bit late, please fill that form. Okay? Please fill the form whichever I shared in the GoToMeeting chat. So this form if you are filling, you will receive a call from me. I will call to personal one-on-one. Then you guys can able to discuss about your profile. Okay. Thank you. So now everything can you able to hear me. Let me start from starting onwards. I just want to give a small introduction about myself. My name is Ram Boyapati. I have 13 years of IT experience in SQL Server, MSBI, Power BI as a data analyst and Azure data engineer I worked. And also I have 7 years of IT trainings and placement experience. I was started this e-classes training institution in 2016. This is my website. And also you can see my YouTube channel as well. So this is our YouTube channel for the e-classes. We are operating this e-classes channel from 2016 onwards. From 2016 onwards, we have this YouTube channel over here. So I have so many lectures added, so much content I have added in my YouTube channel as well. So in this 7 years of IT trainings experience from this e-classes, I am the trainer. I am the founder of this e-classes. It is located in Amirpet, Hyderabad as well. So in fact, in this India, I am the first trainer for Power BI. In 2016, when I was trying to work on my project on the Power BI implementation, when I'm searching in a YouTube, I don't see even single video on Power BI in 2016. In 2016, I don't see even single video to learn. So that time I decided I have done almost 40 lectures videos on the Power BI in 2016, and then I uploaded the videos into YouTube. Later, there are so many institutions, so many trainers are teaching this Power BI. Hardly they have 3 years or 2 years experience. But I'm in this Power BI from 2016 onwards. When I was uploading a video in a YouTube, definitely there is a uploaded date is there. You can check my YouTube channel and you can check when I was uploaded the YouTube videos by doing on Power BI. So from that time onwards, we have done training on for many students from across the globe, India, US, UK, Australia. Many students we were providing the training on the Power BI. Okay, in the 7 years of experience, what I have observed in the 7 years of experience, the student when they want to come to learn any course, definitely they belongs to any of one category here. You can see what is the first category. Let's take one use case. A student completed their graduation. Graduation means engineering, BSc, BTech, BCom, BBA, BCA, biotechnology, or pharmacy, whatever it is, or their post graduation. Let's take one example of use case if he is passed out in 2015. Just one example. If he is a passed out in 2015, he might be in 2018 or 17 or 16, 2010 also. Once he is passed out in 2015, he joining a IT job as a fresher. Immediately once he education completed, some students will join IT job. They might work on Java, .NET, or testing, or Salesforce, whatever it is. After few years experience in IT, they want to change their technology. Why? Because demanding in the technology. They want to identify what is the best demanding technology over here. They want to learn a best demanding technology in the market. What they will do? They will learn a course whichever is demand in the market. Out of, let's for example, they have from 2015 onwards, they have 7 years or 8 years or 9 years of experience. Out of that, they are going to keep 2 to 4 years of experience, whichever the course they are learning now. What is the advantage of this one? They will secure their job, they will get more package. So this is one category. This category is after completion of their education, they will immediately join a IT job. Coming to second category. Let's take he is also passed out in 2015 to 2018, 19, 20, whatever it is. But they were joining a non-IT job at the time. Non-IT jobs means customer care, accountant, Google Maps, network admin, teacher, faculty, civil, mechanical. These are all the things they are doing. But hardly when they are working in non-IT, their package is 3 to 5 lakhs only. Even they have 5 years or 6 years or 10 years, their experience is only the package is 3 to 5 lakhs only. Now they want to learn a good course in the market for IT and they want to join to a company. Are they going to apply for the jobs like a fresher? No. They are going to apply jobs like a 2 to 4 years of experience. Why? Because they have already non-IT experience. The existing non-IT experience they are going to convert into the IT experience, whichever the course they have learned, and they are going to apply for the job. This is the second scenario. This is the second scenario. Now, coming to the third scenario. The third scenario is passed out. Let's take example 2015. They are not doing any job. They are just doing a business, or they are preparing for a government exams, or they are preparing for a government exams like a civils, groups, banks. So they have some career gap. Now they realize to come to IT. Want to come to IT and they are going to learn a best course in the market. Definitely, these people also going to apply the jobs like a 2 to 5 years of experience positions. So the person belongs to the passed out in between the range of 2010 to 2022, 2010 to 2022. In between, if you are belongs to any passed out year, these three categories. Now the fourth category, they are the freshers, recently passed out, 2023-24. They have just 0 years of experience. They will complete this course. They are going to join to a. They will apply for the positions of the fresh positions, not a experienced positions. These three people applying for the experienced positions. Now there are 23 people join this demo. Definitely you belongs to any of one category. Say I have given a serial number 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you ping me which category you belongs? Just send me the number. If you belongs to category 1, send me 1. If you if you belongs to 2, 3, 4, send me that number. I want to check how many people belongs to second category, third category, fourth category. Wow, 2 is going more. 2, 2, 2. There is one person 1, another person 4, 2, 2, 2. Okay. So my observation is 90% of the students belongs to category 2. Most of the people they are in the category 2 only. So this category 2 means yes, they were work for non-IT jobs. Some people working for recruitment as well. US recruiter. Anyone, anyone profession not covered inside here in this list? Anybody out of this role? Can you ping me your role? Manufacturing. I think I mentioned the manufacturing, civil. Yeah. Oh, mechanical. I mentioned. Right. Manufacturing. Anything more apart from these professions? ERP implementation, customer support, member technical, VFX. Very good. Very good. Retail. Yes. There are so many non-IT jobs. It is difficult to cover over here. Okay. Definitely your salary is in between this range only. Maximum 7 lakhs. Their package starts from 2 to 7 lakhs in between. 7 lakhs means you have almost 10 years of experience in non-IT. If you are getting 7 lakhs package, you are almost in the where 10 years of experience. With the same experience when you are learning this course and applying for the jobs, you will get 15 lakhs. You will get 15 lakhs of the package for this one. Okay. Now you want to come to IT industry. You want to learn a course, not like a fresher. You want to go with a IT job, applying for the positions like a experienced jobs. At least 2 to 5 years of experience in between range positions you want to apply. What is the best course available in the market? Your success 50 percentage depends on the course whichever you are choosing over here. So whichever the course you are choosing, your success will be on that one only. Out of 100, 50 percentage of your success is identifying the demanding course. So what is the most demand in the market currently? Data. I don't say any specific technology. If I'm telling specific technology is most demand, I'm a selfish. I will tell you the industry whichever is more demand in the market. Data industry is very, very, very good demand in the market. Without data, nothing. Without data, nothing. The very first step what I have done in this demo session, I collected your data. Because if I have a data, I can do my business. Without data, there is no business. If there is no business, there is no market. There is no jobs. So that is the reason data is very important nowadays. So in this data, what kind of jobs in IT industry we have related to data? I can categorize three jobs: data engineering job, data analyst job, data scientist job. These are the three different kind of jobs we have in data side in IT industry. So what you need to do is you need to learn any of one course related to either data engineering or a data analyst or a data scientist. Most of the people preferring this data analyst because they feel this is a very easiest job, and the people who ever having their non-IT background will help when they are going to work as a data analyst. So what a data engineer will do, what a data analyst will do, what a data scientist will do. Let's go over here. You can see I have a supermarkets in US. I have another supermarkets in India. I'm the owner of the supermarkets. I'm running the supermarkets in US versus India. In every supermarket, you can see there are some billing counter. This is billing counter 1. This is billing counter 2. In India, we have this is billing counter 1. This is billing counter 2 over here. As a customer, when you are going to a supermarket, you will buy a product, right? So that product information we are going to save in the backend database. That means a transactions. You are buying a product, that means there is a transaction happen. The transactions data you are going to save inside. The transactions data we are going to save in the backend databases. So every time when there is a transaction, it will come. One more example. When you are going to book a bus ticket, where you are booking, simply will goes to www.go GoBibo or Abibus or redbus.com, whatever it is. So that is a website where you are going to book a ticket. Immediately your ticket booking information will come and store in the backend database. So this is how every business is going to be happen. Collecting the day-to-day transactions data. For example, you can go ATM center. There is one application you are withdrawing the amount. Immediately that withdrawal amount transaction details will be saved in the backend database. You are all working in a non-IT, right? Definitely there should be a business for a customer. What they have? They have a application. From that application, the data you are entering or doing a transaction, whatever, that will go and save somewhere in the backend database. Now, this business is operating in multiple locations, and the business data we are collecting and storing in the multiple locations. Now, a data engineer, what he will do, a data engineer is simply going to getting this data from different locations and different storages, and he will perform the ETL process. The data engineer role is keeping of all the business data from multiple locations into one centralized location. Keeping of all the business data from one location to, sorry, multiple locations to one location. That is a data engineer role. Data engineer is simply doing of the ETL process. What do you mean by ETL? Extracting the data, extracting the business data from multiple locations into single location. Why we need to keep this data into single location? Because as a data analyst, now the data analyst will come to the picture. The data analyst, what he will do, he is going to take this data what you have kept in a particular location here. That data he will take into a reporting tool that you can use either Power BI or Tableau or ClickView or Excel, whatever it is. He is going to designing of the reports. What reports? Top 10 products, highest sales, least sales 10 products, year over year sales, current year versus previous year how much sales happen. These kind of reports he is going to develop by using a Power BI. What is the advantage of this reports? This reports is required as a supermarket owner to understand about the business, to get a insights about the business. Then I can take some decisions about my business. Least 10 products, then I can take a decision. Next time I don't want to maintain the much stock for these products because this is the less sales happening over here. These products are happening less sales over here. Got it? So data analyst role is whatever the business data, he has to visualize and design the reports. Data engineer role is whatever the data located in different locations and servers, he has to collect the data and store it into one particular place. Data analyst is a front end designing of the reports. Data engineer is back end, data cleaning, data mashup, data processing, data collection, and data maintenance. Data engineer is doing all the activities. Data analyst is simply designing of the reports and dashboards by taking the data from storage, maintained, maintained and processed by data engineer. Got it? The data analyst role is designing up the reports and dashboards. Data engineer role is this one. Now, what the data scientist will do? Data scientist going to do some advanced mechanisms on the data, like doing some predictions, some kind of a machine learning. Is going to apply some machine learning recommendations, suggestions, finding more in-depth insights on the data. So most of the people, what they are doing, they are learning the data science course. I don't recommend to learn data science course. If you are learning a data science course 6 months, are you getting a job? No. If you want to become a scientist, you should work at least on a data engineering or a data analyst. Then you can try for the data scientist. Without having experience on any of one here, don't go with this one. Okay, as a data analyst, what are the technologies we need to learn over here? To design the reports and dashboards, we are going to learn Power BI. Is this Power BI course is enough for us to get the job? Yes, it's true. But to fight in the competition, to make your profile easy to get the jobs in this competition world, you need to improve your skill more. You need to learn some SQL. Better you can learn some basic Python. Basics only, not the advanced. Basic SQL, some basic Python, some basic cloud Azure. If you are having all this combination in your profile, you can apply for a job, data analyst. I don't want to learn all these things. I have an idea already. Then you can learn only Power BI. Only Power BI course you can able to learn. Okay, we are going to conduct this complete data analysis course 60 hours duration, Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour. The cost is 18,000. You don't want all this SQL, Python, Azure Cloud. I just need only Power BI course I want to learn. Yes, you can learn only Power BI. This is going to be 45 hours, 40 to 45 hours duration, Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour. The cost is 13,000. Choice is yours. You want to opt only for Power BI or you want to learn complete data analysis course? Choice is yours. Okay. If I am learning this Power BI course or a data analyst course completely within the 60 hours or 45 hours, whichever you are going to opt, can I get the job after this completion of the course? That depends on how you are going to apply for the jobs. Are you going to apply the job as a fresher or a experienced? If you are going to apply a job as a fresher, this is fair enough. Yes. If you are going to apply for a job as a experience like a 2 to 4 years of experience, definitely the interview is more, right? The interview expectation is more. Interview expectation is more. And also when you are going to work on the projects also, the work also is more. In the real time projects, without need of any proxy, without need of any work support, can I get this job as experienced after this training? This is possible only for out of 100 only 20 percentage people only. Out of 100 only 20 percentage of the people they can able to crack their interview, they can able to work after completion of a normal regular training. Because the regular training may not give you the confidence up to 4 years or 2 years of experience person. Yes, technically it will give you, but there are a lot of things involved as an experienced guy. So why only 20% of the people getting the job as an experienced person out of 100 days? Because every institution is running only one program. What is that program one? It's a simply regular training on the technology. It might be a Power BI or a data analyst. They're just simply making the training. After the training, there is no doubts clarification. There is no help in interview preparation. There is no help in projects. There is no help in the real time scenarios. There is no help in the references. There is no help in the resume designing. Then student does not know how to ready for the interview, how to attend the interviews. So that is the reason we have designed a program too as well. What is this program too? It's a real time program. Parallelly we are conducting. Parallelly we are conducting the program 1 and program 2. So what are the key highlights of the program 2? Inside this program 2, we are going to focusing on the things mostly agile methodology. What is a real time program? We are following a agile methodology and giving 10 sprints, 150 tasks, mock interviews, real world projects, resume review, job offering referrals, weekly test, company tie up interviews. These are all the things we are going to offer over here. So, what is this 10 sprints, 150 tasks? In the Monday to Friday, we are taking the regular sessions, right? This Monday to Friday, the program one, it might be a data analyst course or a Power BI only you are going to enroll. This is going to be Monday to Friday. This program is Saturday and Sunday. What we are going to discuss in Saturday, Sunday, in this Monday to Friday, you are listening the regular classes and we are going to give you some sprints over here. Complete tasks we are going to provide to you. Let's, for example, this is sprint one. In this sprint one, what are all the tasks you need to perform? And you need to update the status whether you have done the task or not. Once you have done the task, then on the Saturday we are going to connect. So this entire week, Friday to Monday to Friday, see here, these are all the students. They will update their status whether the task completed or not. This is called one sprint. How long this sprint one? Monday to Friday, 1 week. So then Saturday we are going to connect and you need to share your screen and you need to do all the task in front of me. In front of me, you need to complete all the tasks. Then you will get a good knowledge over here. You will get a full confidence on the tasks, real time scenarios. Then, after, we are going to conduct some mock interviews and we will explain you how it is going to be in the environment inside as an experienced guy. And we will help you in the resume preparation. This is called real time program. This is going to be a 30 hours program, but both we are running parallelly. Weekends, weekdays. This is weekdays and weekends. Within 2 months, 2 to 3 months maximum, you will be ready for attending the interview as a 2 to 4 years of experience person. 2 to 4 years of experience person, you are going to ready for the interview. After completion of this course, if you want to do any kind of certification exam, anyhow, we are providing one certificate for you from our institution. PL 300 exam you need to write down. This is a Microsoft Global certification. What is the price for this program too? Price for program 2 is 15,000 rupees. What is the price for this data analysis course? This is 18,000. What is the price for Power BI course? 13,000. If you are going to opt for two programs, what is that? Only Power BI with real time program. What is the cost? 13 plus 15. How much it is? 28,000. Next, complete data analyst with real time program. How much it is? 18,000 plus 15,000. How much it is cost? 33,000. But we are giving offer. Offer price is, if you are enrolling for both programs, program 1 and program 2, this is going to be 25,000. This is going to be offer 20,000. With these two programs, 90% of our students are able to crack the interviews themselves, able to work on the real time projects without taking anyone help. No proxy call, no work supports required after completion of these two programs. So, as a part of this Power BI, what are all the things we are going to cover in this training? The complete Power BI desktop application, Power BI online cloud website, Power BI report server completely we are going to cover, Power BI mobile app I'm going to cover, and some DAX. Inside the part of a Power BI, I'm going to cover all these topics. Part of SQL also, complete SQL and TSQL both we are covering. Part of Python, the basic Python and Python required for data analysis. Inside the Microsoft Azure Cloud, there are like how to connecting to the different storages. Because when I am designing the reports by using Power BI, you are taking data from one place, right? This data might be in a Azure Cloud also. You should aware of all these things. It looks small thing only, but when you are going to interview, hey, I'm using my data to design the reports from Azure Cloud. If you're telling this kind of points, the interviewer more probability to select you. Okay, so choice is yours. What are the courses you want to opt it over here? You want to opt only Power BI with real time program 20,000, only data analyst course with complete data analysis course with includes SQL, Python, and Azure Cloud plus real time 25,000. Or if you want only training 13,000, this one 18,000. So when the sessions are going to start? From Monday onwards, we are going to start the regular sessions. From Monday onwards, there are two slots. 6 a.m. IST is one slot, 9 p.m. IST is the another slot, 1 hour session. So which time is suitable for you? 6 a.m. or 9 p.m. So you can reach out our executive. She will help you on this one. I'm sharing of his number 7989781302. So you can reach out to her. She will help you how to enroll and all those things. We are going to conduct two free sessions. We are going to conduct two free sessions. You guys can able to attend the free sessions from Monday onwards. Clear? Any questions from anyone? You can raise your hands. So every day once the class completed, we are going to provide you the daily class recording video, daily class notes, doubts clarification. In any institution, if you see, after the session, the trainer is not available. Here we have a mobile app. For every one student, we are creating one mobile app. There inside we have a group. There we have a group chat. You can interact with the trainer directly anytime while you are learning that one. Clear? So you can download our mobile app. You can interact with many people over here. How to download the mobile app is simply you can open this link and you can download the mobile app. If you are opening this in the mobile, then you will get how to download the mobile. Okay. Yes, data analyst is something like a full stack over here. It will come with a full stack. Exactly. Coding knowledge is not required over here. Yes, Mahendra, you are already a skill developer. You can enhance your skill with Power BI to get more package. So if you guys have any questions now, you can ask the questions. I hope all of you filled your form, right? Go ahead, your questions. Any questions from anyone? So before joining to any institution, please check whether they are offering the program 2 or not. If they are not offering the program 2, then you will be in a trouble again. If a program 1, that you can find any institution, but check the program 2 is there or not. Yeah, go ahead.
Well, I have a question.
Yeah,
So, if you see, I come with HR background and then I don't have any coding knowledge, and then I work only on Excel purely on day in and day out. Okay, so creating dashboards and things. So, Power BI is something which I wanted to learn. So, along with Power BI, do you suggest that I have to learn other things like Python, SQL? Will it be an added advantage?
hundred
Or,
percentage,
uh,
100% added
yeah,
advantage,
okay,
and you will
okay,
never feel
okay.
that is a difficult. You never feel that is a difficult.
Okay, because I don't have coding knowledge apart from Excel formulas and other things. Whatever
Yes,
happens in Excel, basically creating a dashboard, slide
I
store, and
understood.
everything.
See, even in the Power BI, we are
Hmm.
not going to write down any coding. But if you have
Okay.
this knowledge, because you are going to take a data from sometimes SQL databases, right? SQL is a
Hmm.
language.
Hmm.
If you don't know English language,
Correct.
how can
Correct.
you communicate with me?
Correct.
Whether you are able to communicate or
Hmm.
not, that is a different story. You may not communicate with me
Correct.
daily, but at least per day once, if you are communicating, at least you should know, right, some basic communication process.
Hmm.
That's what. If you have that knowledge, you will be out from the competition.
Understood. Hmm. Got it. Yeah. Thank you. That helps. Yeah. Just wanted to check whether Power BI is only sufficient, or should I even take a Python and other things for understanding and knowledge. So that helps. Understood. Got it. Yeah.
Yeah. So the global certification exam, that is not included here. That is separately the Microsoft PL300 certification. You have to do separately. It's not included in this package. But we will
Okay. How
assist
much
you.
will that cost? Yeah.
I think
How much
around
will that cost?
4,000, 4 to 5,000.
Oh, okay. 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 But
And
is it okay? You guys will assist for it, so you guys will help us how to apply for it
100%.
and then enroll
Once
and
you
get
are
it done.
completing these programs, then you are in a position to complete that exam.
Okay, got
So
it.
we are
Yeah.
offering
So,
online and offline both sessions. If anybody wants to
mm,
speak with me, you can come to, if you are in Hyderabad. If you want to speak with me personally about your profile, I shared one number in the chart right here. You can see. You can call to this number, ask them to speak with me. Yeah, this number. Her name is Triveni. So you just ask, call to this number. I will speak with you personally. Okay.
Sure. Yeah. So what would be the timing in case if you're starting the session, matlab classes?
6 a.m. we have one batch. 9 p.m. another batch. Which one you are more feasible? You can.
9 p.m. is it? 9 p.m.
Yes.
and then 6 a.m.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
convenient for working
Yeah.
people. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. 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 Yeah.
Any more questions
Hi
for
Ram,
you?
good
Yeah.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. So Ram, actually, I have 12 years experience. So 8 years in BPO healthcare and last 4 years working with testing domain.
Okay.
So how can like my experience can be converted to Power BI domain, and what would be the package if I put experience of 4 to 5 years
So
in
that
Power
depends
BI?
on your current package actually. So what is your current package currently?
Okay. Current package is eight, Ram.
8 only.
8 lakhs. Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay.
Because
Yeah.
in like when I was in BPO, the hike I did not.
Yeah, I understood.
I worked in same company. Like from past 2 years,
Mm,
I'm working in the same company, Cognizant company.
yeah.
So that is the main like issue I'm facing now.
Got it.
Not switch there. Yeah.
No problem. So in your experience, you can convert last 3 to 4 years, 4 years experience, whatever you have, right? That we can convert
Okay.
into this Power BI, and you can gain at least 14 to 15 lakhs.
Okay. So and one more thing, you're telling that this real time program is there, right?
Yes.
Um so that how like details will put to my profile, because when we learning Power BI and SQL both. So
Mm.
other than that, this real time program, how much weightage will support to my profile,
Hundred
Ram?
percentage for any people have like they are going to apply for a jobs with the experienced. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this program if you have it will
Okay.
fulfill that gap. Like
Okay.
so you are not working from last 3 to 4 years on Power BI, right? But you are going to tell to the client,
Yeah.
hey, I am working from last 3 to 4 years. That gap we are going to fill
Okay.
here. That confidence we are
Uh,
making in the program too.
okay. So one more thing, like as you said, like we can crack our interview by completing this. Sorry, attending this real time program.
100% yourself.
Okay. Okay, sure. So the instant, like, yeah, already I have reached out to like one of your
Okay.
member. So we'll see. Yeah,
I'm also
I
available.